Alright, and we're rolling. Gonna do a small unboxing on this beauty here, the OLED. I had one of these guys before, but I ended up selling it. I ran into some small troubles with funds, but yeah, this one has my son. He accidentally ripped this open at the bottom. He thought it was the OG, the original. So let's get this bad boy open, which some of you may already know what these beauties look like, but thought it'd be cool to open mine on my channel. Wow. Let's see how do I get this bad boy open without extremely damaging it. Because I always try to keep my boxes in good shape. I don't try to damage it. Oh, I just did it this way. I'm such a smarty, right? Look at that view. I do, man. Definitely like these white Joy-Cons. Well, I will be buying more Joy-Cons anyhow. We'll be collecting Joy-Cons as well. And let's get this beauty out of here. Would you look at it? Oh yeah, look at that screen, man. Wow. Look at that. The screen is very nice, dude. Wow. Yes, yes, yes. And let's get to the bottom and see what's inside of there. Set that to the side, which I may already know what's in here already, but yeah, the HDMI cords, the mount. Yep. 1 second. Yeah, the mount, is the mount white or gray? I did so many reviews on this, but I can't remember, guys. I have so much going on. Yep. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I could barely get it. I gotta move this box out of the way. It looks very cool. AC adapter, HDMI cords, little strappies, go on your Joy-Cons, and we all know what this is. I definitely, oh yeah, let me grab my Switch Lite. I definitely prefer gaming with a controller. I mean, I like the Switch Lite and everything, but when you're playing games like Street Fighter or fighting games, so I get kind of irritating to the hands and fingers. So, show you guys the Switch Lite. 1 second. I was about to say to you guys, I cannot find my Switch Lite. I always leave it places. I normally put it in my drawer, but I think some of you may have seen my Switch Lite. Nothing extremely exotic or anything. Toy quest, that's all. Yeah, I have Mario case. The USBs in there. My son, he put, for some way, somehow, put toothpaste there. I cannot get it off or anything. For any of you guys play Brawlhalla, Fortnite, anything like that, let me know. And I will add you, and we can get it on. But see you in the next one, guys. I'm about to go play Shredder's Revenge, Ninja Turtles with the kids. So catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Adios amigos. Keep the most out first, and I'm out of here.